ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 372। In Tika, second line, this is the discussion what is given here in second line. Phalabhute prajapatau पांगतत्वं वक्तुम उपक्रांतम तद अद्यापि नोक्तम इति आशंक्या। In the phala कर्म, this anna saptanna or त्रीणि अन्नानि, in them prajapatau panktatvam vaktum upakrantam, you said how pankta is there, prajapati is pankta, and therefore in phalam also there is panktatvam. You started with that upakrama vaktum upakrantam tad adyapi noktam. Until now you have not said that. You said about so many other things, shodasha kala, and one kala doesn't go, etc., etc. In bhashya, evam panktatmako asau prajapati hi. Up to that we had seen. So in the previous page, ratraya and tithaya. Ratraya, ratri is the pratipadika. Bahuvachanam is ratraya. Rasva ikaranta shabda, if it is there, then ratraya it will happen. Similarly, tithi, but I think tithi is I didn't check. If it is dirgha ikaranta, then it will go like nadi. But they have given rasva ikaranta in Hindi, tithi, and therefore tithaya will be okay. See further. Panktatmako asau prajapati. So this prajapati is pankta rupa. Tadeva panktatvam vyanakti. That panktatva is now elaborated. Divadityau manah pita. Prithvi agni vak jaya mata. Diva and Aditya means Dyuloka and Aditya. They are manaha in Adhyatma, they are manaha in Adhibhuta, Adhideva, they are Dyuloka and Aditya. And they become Pita. Who is going to be the Praja? Prana. Prithvi, Agni, Vak. Prithvi and Agni, they are Vak in Adhyatma. That will become Jaya. So Yajmana Patni. And that will be Mata for Prana. Tayoscha Prana Praja. And Prana is Tayoho Praja. Chandramasya tithaya kala vittam upachaya pachaya dharmitvat vittavattasam वित्तवत् तासांच कलानां कालावयवानां जगत परिणाम हेतुत्वं कर्म. So Yajamana, Yajamana Patni, Praja. Three are already done. Then Chandramasyaha. Chandramasaha Iyam Chandramasi. Chandramasi, Dirgha will be, Bahuvachanam will become Chandramasyaha, like Nadi. So that which belongs to Chandrama is Chandramasi. Chandramasyaha Tithayaha. All the Tithis, they are the Kala. That Kala is Vittam. Why it is called Vittam? Tika. Kalanam Vittavat Vittatve Hetumaha. Kalas are with like Daivam Vittam, Manusham Vittam. Why? Upachaya Apachaya Dharmitvat Vittavat. Because Vitta has also Upachaya Apachaya. Kala also has Upachaya. Wealth will grow also and it will go down also. Like that, Chandrama Kala also is similar. Therefore, it is called Vittam. तासांच कलानां कालावयवानां जगत परिणाम हेतुत्वं कर्म. And these kalanam kalavayavanam, they are the avayavas of kala. Kala avayavanam jagat parinama hetutvam. So when there is kala in Chandrama, then it shows the time, because some more time has gone from Pratipada to Amavasya and Pratipada to Purnima, like that. And that is where that is called karma, because it is Jagat Parinama Hetu. In third number Tippani, it is explained, Sutratmako Viradatmakasya Kala. Kala means you should take as Hiranyagarbha or Virat Rupa. In other words, Kala, just as Desha is in Virat or Hiranyagarbha, Kala is also within that. तत्तद विशेष रूपो भूत्वा जगदाख्य परिणामम आदधन महाप्रलय पर्यंतम स्थितः. दिस कालः इज अप टू महाप्रलय. व्हाट डज इट डू? तत्तद विशेष रूपो भूत्वा, इट बिकम्स विशेष रूप. Whatever forms that are there, or you say Kala as Samvatsara, Uttarayana, Dakshinayana, then within that Masa, Ritavaha, Masa, etc. They are the Vishesha Rupas of Kala. And it continues until Mahapralaya. Yuga, Kalpa, all of them also. Tathacha tasya jagat parinamayitritvam karma ityartha. And that same Kala as Hiranyagarbha and Virat becomes Jagat. So tasya jagat parinamayitritvam karma. That is given in Bhashya jagat parinama hetutvam. टीका पांगतत्व निर्देशेन लब्धम अर्थम आह. So now पांगतत्व is explained. What is the result of this explanation? लब्धम अर्थम किम? एवं एषः कृत्स्नः प्रजापतिः जाया में स्यात् अथ वित्तम में स्यात् अथ कर्म कुर्वीय इति. Evam Eshah Krishna, this is the complete Prajapati. Pankta Rupa, all are explained. Tika, Samprati Krishnasya Prajapatir Upakramanusaritvam Darshayati. So this Krishna Prajapati Upakramanusaritvam, as per Upakrama, how this Prajapati. So earlier this was said, the same line is given again. जाया में स्यात् अथ वित्तम में स्यात् अथ कर्म कुर्वीय इति एषणा अनुरूप एव पांक्तस्य कर्मणः फलभूतः संवृत्तः. This kind of एषणा is there. जाया में स्यात्, may I have a wife, patni. Vittam में स्यात्, then atha karma kurviya, now you have to do karma, etc. So such एषणा अनुरूप एव पांक्तस्य कर्मणः फलभूतः संवृत्तः. 4 नंबर टिप्पणी कृत्स्नः संवृत्तः इति अन्वयः. So entire karma phala, which is in the form of this jaya, patni, whatever pankta karma phala, is also pankta. पांक्तस्य कर्मणः फलभूतः कृष्णः संवृत्तः. संवृत्तः means कथितः. Like how we have seen vrittam kirtayati many times. भवतु प्रजापतेर उक्तरीत्या पांक्तत्वम तथापि कथम पांक्त कर्मफलत्वम तत्र आह. Okay, प्रजापति is पांक्त रूप as per the previous discussion, but how katham pankta karma phalatvam, how karma phala is panktam, कारणानुविधाई ही कार्यम इति लोके अपि स्थितिः. कार्य will follow कारण, कारणानुविधाई ही कार्यम. So if karana is panktam, karma phalam also will be panktam, karyam also will be panktam. Such is the case of the world. लोके अपि स्थितिः. पांक्त कर्म फलत्वम प्रजापते रुक्त्वा प्रासंगिकम अर्थम आह. पांक्त कर्म फलत्व topic is over. Now prasanga vashat something has come, so that is being discussed. There are 6 kinds of sangatis. Shodha sangati. This is prasanga vashat sangati, is prasangika sangati. So there is a shloka. सप्रसंग उपोद्घातो हेतुतावसरस्तथा निर्वाहकैक्यं कार्यैक्यं षोडा संगतिरिष्यते. सप्रसंग उपोद्घातो प्रथम पाद इज ओवर. द्वितीय पाद हेतुतावसरस्तथा, हेतुतावसरस्तथा. निर्वाहकैक्यं कार्यैक्यं, तृतीय पाद निर्वाहकैक्यं कार्यैक्यं. निर्वाहक ऐक्यम कार्य ऐक्यम. षोडा संगतिरिष्यते, षोडा संगतिरिष्यते. श्लोक बोलिए. निर्वाहकैक्यम कार्यैक्यम. So 6 things are there. Saprasanga sangati, upodghata sangati, hetuta sangati, avasara sangati, निर्वाहक ऐक्य संगति, कार्यैक्य संगति. षोडा संगति रिष्यते. So this is prasanga vashat. Another topic is given. What is that? See, यस्माद् एष चंद्र एतां रात्रिं सर्वप्राणिजातम् अनुप्रविष्टो ध्रुवया कलया वर्तते तस्माद् हेतोर् एताम् अमावास्यां रात्रिं प्राणभृतः प्राणिनः प्राणं न विच्छिन्द्यात् प्राणिनं न प्रमापयेत् इति एतदपि कृकलासस्य यस्माद् एषः चंद्रः एतां रात्रिं सर्वप्राणिजातम् अनुप्रविष्ट ऑन अमावास्या रात्रि दिस चंद्र प्रजापति has entered in all सर्व प्राणिजातम all beings living beings anupravishta and there is one kala which does not perish that dhruvaya kalaya vartate tasmat hetu for that reason on this amavasya night no living being should be killed pranabhrutah is there in the mantra means praninah pranam na vichhindyat प्राणिनः what is the vibhakti what is the pratipadika प्राणी बहुवचनम प्रथमा बहुवचनम प्रातिपदिक is what प्राणिन प्राणी प्राणिनौ प्राणिनः so प्रथमा बहुवचन षष्ठी एकवचन will be same this is षष्ठी एकवचन प्राणिनः प्राणं न विच्छिन्द्यात् प्राणिनं न प्रमापयेत् न हिंस्यात् even krikalasa means a lizard girgit
Swamiji, chameleon.
chameleon or chameleon or I don't know how people pronounce टीका अपि कृकलासस्य इति कुतो विशेषोक्तिरित्याशंक्याः why you have to separately mention krikalasa kuto visheshokti that even krikalasa should not be killed kutastasya papatmatvam tatraha before that krikalaso hi papatma this krikalasa is papa swarupa swabhavenaiva hinsyate pranibhir drashto api amangala iti krutva when people see it there is some amangala means in old tradition they might be thinking like this and therefore he is a papatma people kill that pranibhir hinsyate some people are so afraid of even lizard they run away टीका now there is a prashna विशेष निषेधस्य शेषानुज्ञापरत्वात् विरोधः सामान्य शास्त्रेण स्यात् इति शंकते when you do विशेष निषेध means there is shesha anugnya let us say if 5 people go to one person and say can we go to Haridwar they go to Acharya and they ask can we go to Haridwar 5 people Acharya says first 2 people 1 and 2 you don't go means what other 3 can go this is what says vishesha nishedasya shesha anugnya paratvat if there is vishesha nishedha that means there is permission for the other 3 so krikalasa nishedha krikalasa pranam na vichhindyat that means for others it is okay ननु प्रतिषिद्धैव प्राणि हिंसा न हिंस्यात् सर्वभूतानि अन्यत्र तीर्थेभ्यः इति somebody says prani hinsa itself is nishidya na hinsyat sarva bhutani प्रतिषिद्धा एव प्राणी हिंसा. This Veda mantra is there, na hinsyat sarva bhutanyanyatra tirthebhyah iti. So already there is nisheda for prani hinsa. Why there is vishesha nisheda required? And tirthebhyah, anyatra tirthebhyah means no, you have to complete the sentence. In other places means what? Or anyatra tirthebhyah na hinsyat sarva bhutani anyatra tirthebhyah means other than tirtha, hinsa should not be there. In tirtha, hinsa is allowed. न हिंस्यात् सर्वा भूतानि. तीर्थेभ्यः अन्यत्र न हिंस्यात् सर्वा भूतानि means तीर्थेभ्यः hinsanam is okay. Now what is tirtha? Tirtha means not like Prayagraj or Haridwar, not that tirtha. See in Tika, tirtha shabdah shastra vihita pradesha vishaya. Tirtha means where there is yajna karya happening. That is called tirtha. Only in yajna pashu hinsa is allowed. That is what it means. Tirtha shabdah shastra vihita pradesha vishaya. 14 number tippani yajna bhumyadihi. Means while you are performing yajna, then it is allowed. If it is a pashu yaga, not otherwise. साधारण्येन सर्वत्र निषिद्धापि हिंसा विशेषतो अमावास्यायां निषिध्यमाना सोमदेवता पूजार्था ततः शेषानुज्ञा भावात् न सामान्योक्ति विरोधो अस्ति इति परिहरति. साधारण्येन सर्वत्र निषिद्धापि हिंसा. साधारण हिंसा इज एवरीवेयर. I mean साधारण हिंसा निषेध इज एवरीवेयर. सर्वत्र निषिद्धापि हिंसा. But visheshatah amavasyayam. In amavasya there is vishesha nisheda. Why? Soma devata pujartha. Because Soma devata puja is done. Tatah shesha anugnya bhavat. So somebody will think that elsewhere there is anugnya. Anugnya means permission. Na samanyokti virodho asti iti parihalati. So therefore there is no samanya ukti virodha. Because the question was Vishesha Nishedha, by that Samanya Shastra will have Virodha. Because Vishesha Nishedha will allow Shesha Anugnya. If Shesha Anugnya is there and Samanya Shastra is what? What is the Samanya Shastra? Na hinsyat sarva bhutani anyatra tirthebhyah. This is Samanya Shastra. This is the general rule. Vishesha Nishedha is Amavasyaya. So here Acharya says, there is no virodha with Samanya Ukti. Na Samanya Ukti virodho asti. Iti pariharati. Badham pratishidha. Tathapi badham pratishidha. When they say badham, yes, you are right. Tathapi. But somebody will say, kintu parantu lekin. तथापि हाँ नामा न अमावास्यायाः अन्यत्र प्रतिप्रसवार्थं वचनं हिंसायाः कृकलासविषये वा किं तर्हि एतस्याः सोमदेवतायाः अपचित्यै पूजार्थम् न अमावास्यायाः अन्यत्र प्रतिप्रसवार्थम. When it is said in Amavasya, you should not kill Mahinsya. That does not mean other than Amavasya is okay. This is one. Na Amavasyaya anyatra pratipasavartham vachanam hinsayaha. And Krikalasa Vishaye, that does not mean on Amavasya. Krikalasa, you said, right, should not be killed. Okay, other things we know. Even Krikalasa should not be killed, which is otherwise considered as Papatma or Amangala, even then. Why this is said? Etasyaha Somadevataya Apachityai, for the puja of Chandrama, means Prajapati. Somadevata here is Prajapati. Further, यत् पूर्वम आदिदैविक त्र्यन्नात्मक प्रजापति उपासनम उक्तम तद अहमस्मि प्रजापतिरिति अहंग्रहेण कर्तव्यम इत्याह. यत् पूर्वम आदिदैविक त्र्यन्नात्मक प्रजापति उपासनम उक्तम. अर्लियर आदिदैविक त्र्यन्नात्मक, the त्रीणि अन्नानि, which are the three here? वांग मन प्राण. प्रजापति उपासनम उक्तम. This is for Prajapati upasana. How that upasana should be done? Tad aham asmi prajapatihi iti ahangrahena kartavyam. Prajapati upasana should be done as aham asmi prajapati. I am Prajapati. This is called ahangraha upasana. Clearly it is given. Ahangrahena kartavyam. Ahangrahena means aham iti grahena. Grahena means jnanena. Aham iti grahena jnanena kartavyam. This is called ahangraha upasana. मंत्र. यो वै संवत्सरः प्रजापतिः षोडशकलो अयमेव स योऽयम् एवंवित् पुरुषस्तस्य वित्तमेव पंचदशकला आत्मैवास्य षोडशी कला सवित्तेनैव आचपूर्यते अपच क्षीयते तदेतन्नभ्यं यदयमात्मा प्रधीर्वित्तं तस्माद् यद्यपि सर्वज्ञानिं जीयत आत्मना चेत् जीवति प्रधिना अगाध इत्येव आहुः. यो वै संवत्सरः प्रजापतिः. This Prajapati who is addressed as Samvatsara is Shodashakalaha, has Shodashakala. This we already saw in the previous one. Ayameva Saha. This is the one which has Shodashakala. So, the Shodashakala Purusha, here Shodashakala Purusha is Prajapati. In Prashnopanishad, Shodashakala Purusha is Chaitanya, Brahma. Here the prakarana is for Upasana. In Prashnopanishad, Shodashakala, this is the sixth question. In Shashtha Prashna of Prashnopanishad, there it is for Brahma. There the 16th Kala means Chaitanya, which is the Adhishthanam for all Vivarta, 15 Kalas. Because those 15 Kala Avachinna Chaitanya is this 16th Kala. That Chaitanya is 16th Kala. And here the 16th Kala is Sharira. Atma Shabda is used, but it is referring to Sharira in this mantra. In the previous one, it is Sharira means Prajapati Sharira, not individual Sharira, Prajapati Sharira. See, Prajapati hi Shodasha Kalaha. Prajapati is of 16 kalas. Ayam eva Saha. And this is the one who became Prajapati, the one who knew that I am Prajapati, the one who did Upasana in this way, Aham Prajapati Asmi. He became Prajapati. So, Saha yo ayam evam with Purushaha. Saha Prajapati hi Purushaha. Here Purusha means Purusha is the one who did Upasana in Purva Janma. That Purusha is the Evam with. Evam with means is one who knows that I am Prajapati, who is Shodashakala. He became Prajapati. Everybody understood what I said?
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. Yoyam evam with Purushas. Tasya vittam eva panchadashakala. His vittam is panchadashakala because there is, what is,
Yes,
why?
Swamiji.
Why vittam is panchadashakala? Because it has upachaya, apachaya. Atma eva asya shodashi kala. Atma means shariram. Savittena eva acha puryate apacha kshiyate. By this vitta, daivam vittam, manusham vittam, it grows and it decays. Tad etat nabhyam yadayam atma pradhir vittam. Nabhyam means nabhi. Nabhi means the center point. Like in a wheel, there is a nabhi, and then there are araha, spokes. Nabhi is the axle, the center point. So this kala which is remaining is the nabhi. Tadetat nabhyam yadayam atma. And pradhir vittam. Pradhi means actual word is paridhi. In Hindi we say paridhi, circumference. That is given here as pradhi. Pradhir vittam. So when the center is there, if the nabhi is there, then the circumference will keep coming. Even if something goes, again it will come. Something goes again. So the other colors, they are like the spokes connected to the navel, nabhi. Pradhir vittam. Tasmad yadyapi sarvajyaning jiyata. So therefore, if yadyapi sarvajyanim jiyata atmana chet jivati. If everything is taken away, then also atmana means that sharira, the antim kala, shodasha kala will remain. By that it will live and it will continue to grow again. So what has happened? That's what people say, pradhina agat iti eva ahu. Pradhina means by this ara, by that alone it had gone. Means that has now come back. Only that part had decayed, not everything. Everything was not gone. Sarvajyanim means sarvaswa apaharanam. Jiyate means hiyate. See in Bhashya now. यो वै परोक्षाभिहितः संवत्सरः प्रजापतिः षोडशकलः स नैव अत्यन्तं परोक्षो मंतव्यो यस्माद् अयमेव सः प्रत्यक्ष उपलभ्यते. This संवत्सर प्रजापति, it is addressed as yo vai. So somebody thinks maybe it is paroksha. So he says no, it is not atyanta paroksha, it is pratyaksha upalabhyate. It should not be considered as paroksha. टीका प्रत्यक्षम उपलभ्यमानं प्रजापतिं प्रश्न द्वारा प्रकटयति. So now you said it is pratyaksha. So now there is a prashna about pratyakshatva of Prajapati. Ko asavayam? Who is this Prajapati? Ko asau iti? Yo yathoktam triyannatmakam prajapatim atmabhutam veti saha evam vid purushaha. How he is pratyaksha? How Prajapati or Hiranyagarbha is pratyaksha? He said the one who did upasana, that upasaka is pratyaksha. In the next janma, he is going to become Prajapati. Yo yathoktam triyannatmakam prajapatim atmabhutam veti. The one who knows that Purusha is pratyaksha. Or in his buddhi, it is pratyaksha as I am Prajapati. So the knower means the upasaka is the Purusha. For that Purusha, this Prajapati is pratyaksha, or that Purusha is pratyaksha to others also. टीका तस्य प्रजापतित्वम अप्रसिद्धम इति आशंक्य परिहरति केन सामान्येन प्रजापतिरिति तदुच्यते. Somebody says he is not Prajapati yet. How do you say he has Prajapatitvam? Tasya Prajapatitvam aprasiddham. So that parihara is done. No. केन सामान्येन प्रजापति इति उच्यते तस्य एवं विदः पुरुषस्य गवादि वित्तम एव पंचदश कला. This Purusha who does upasana, he has gavadi vittam. He has cattle like cow, etc. These are the panchadasha kala. Upachaya apachaya dharmitvat vitta sadhyam cha karma. Those panchadasha kalas have upachaya apachaya, growth and decay. King chayane dhatu. So panchadasha kalas will have growth and decay. This vittam is dharmi. And what is the dharma?
Upachaya, apachaya.
Is the dharma. Dharmi is vitta. Any question? No.
No, sorry.
Dharmitvat vitta sadhyam cha karma. Karma is vitta sadhyam. Vittena sadhyam vitta sadhyam. Tika. कलानां जगद विपरिणाम हेतुत्वं कर्म इति उक्तम, वित्ते अपि कर्म हेतुत्वम अस्ति, तेन तत्र कला शब्द प्रवृत्ति उचिते त्याह। कला, they have jagat parinama hetutvam, we just now saw, it is karma iti uktam, vitte api karma hetutvam asti, and in vitta also there is karma hetutvam, tena tatra kala shabda pravritti hi uchita, therefore kala shabda pravritti is appropriate there. यथा चंद्रमाः कलाभिः शुक्ल कृष्ण पक्षयोर आपूर्यते अपक्षीयते च, तथा स विद्वान वित्तेन एव उपचीयमानेन आपूर्यते अपचीयमानेन च अपक्षीयते. Just as Chandrama by its color in Shukla Paksha growth upachiyamana, in Krishna Paksha apachiyamana. In the same way, this Vidwan also, because of his Gavadi Vittam, there is growth and decay in that. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.